Day 79. Let's pause and look back at everything since day 71. You covered the full buy and hold strategy, the idea behind it, the rule that defines it, the task to build it, how to set up initialize, how to set up on data, and how to close it out. A few things are worth double checking before you move on. Buy and hold is the baseline. Every other strategy you build gets compared to it. If a strategy cannot beat it, the extra complexity was not worth it. Initialize runs once. That is where you set dates, cache, and add your asset. Nothing about orders or logic goes there. On data runs on every bar. For buy and hold, the position check is what stops it from placing a new order every single day. Without that check, it trades constantly. Before day 80, go back and look at your equity curve from the backtest. That line is the bar everything else has to clear. That is day 79. See you at day 80.